Don't forget to subscribe. What happened next at La Granada Divino? Following Gorden Ramsay's visit on Costa del Nightmares, La Granada Divino experienced a remarkable renaissance. The establishment began generating an impressive £5,000 weekly, with owners Milan and Gina strategically stepping back to allow their staff to take the reins, demonstrating a new approach to restaurant management. Customer feedback was overwhelmingly positive, reflecting the restaurant's transformation. TripAdvisor reviews sparkled with praise for the exceptional service, delectable food, and elegant presentation. The sharing platter concept introduced by Gorden became a signature feature, delighting diners and creating a unique communal dining experience that set La Granada Divino apart from other local establishments. The restaurant evolved beyond a mere dining destination, transforming into a vibrant community hub that celebrated local culture and culinary creativity. They hosted an eclectic array of events, from Halloween celebrations to art exhibitions, attracting diverse groups like the Andalusia Porsche Club and hosting memorable birthdays and anniversaries. Their reputation extended far beyond local boundaries, with customers traveling from across the globe to experience their culinary offerings. In September 2015, Milan and Gina made the bittersweet decision to retire from the restaurant industry. Their farewell message was a heartfelt celebration of their culinary journey. We hope everyone enjoyed the La Granada Divino dining experience, complemented by mouth-watering food and delicious wines that was reflected by an excellent TripAdvisor rating. We regret to announce that we are now retiring from the restaurant trade and the restaurant is now closed. Their message reflected not just a business closure, but the end of a passionate culinary chapter that had touched countless lives and created lasting memories for their community. For those interested in revisiting their story, La Granada Divino was featured in Costa del Nightmares, Episode 3, which aired on October 7, 2014. Filming took place earlier, in June 2013. Now subscribe and watch my other videos.